So we're going over to this dock over here, and that's who we're going to help out and provide an assist to. This should be just pushing against the tide, so we shouldn't have any line. Should be relatively straightforward. The only problem is that he's made up alongside, and this is a tight berth, so I won't be able to push right on the barge. I'm actually going to have to push on the side of the tug. So a little different than normal, but we'll get it done.
Hey, got me.
That's his deckhand checking in. You good with me right here, Sean?
Just hold on for a minute. Let me see how she handles you.
Okay.
I'll give you plenty of time to save me when I screw this up.
You'll do fine. Now you see, Captain Sean over here just did something that some of us do, and that's where you want an assist to help you if there's a problem.
I don't want to hit the roller, Eric. Just get closer.
Okay.
But sometimes
Right now, bow is just abreast of it, and we're about 50 off.
an assist can do more damage than good. So if you can do it on your own, you're not being a tough guy, you're just trying to minimize the possibilities of things that are out of your control. In other words, he can control the barge and control himself, but he can't control me. So he's just saying, hang on a minute, I might be able to do this myself.
Close to 40 foot off the roller.
The tide isn't pushing him as bad as he thought it was. So now you're starting to get an idea of how tight this slip is. This is one of my
25 off the roller.
favorite docks over here because it's got these two what we call rollers on either side. You can't slam into them, but you can lean against them and roll around the corner, and that's kind of really cool. Oh.
I'm just seeing daylight on that first head now. You got about 50 ahead to it, about 15 off that roller.
Okay, now he's going to be swinging my way all the time, and
Close it back up on the back, 10 foot off that roller, just coming back inside that first
I'm going to be in his way. So I'm going to get over, get my back
3 foot off the roller
towards him and start backing up. So I don't want to put any pressure on
1 foot
him.
off the roller, it'll be about 2 foot off the pad. We can come past it. 1 foot off the roller, just coming past that pad, about 2 foot off. Inches off the roller, a foot off the pad.
See, he's doing a great job
Just
right
about
now.
to touch up on that first pad. Bow's just touching up on the first pad. That's our forward yogi. Got about 25 ahead to the second pad, gonna be 15 off. Just coming off that first pad now, 3 foot off in midships, getting coverage on the second, 15 wide.
Okay, now his stern's getting set. So I'm thinking that he's probably going to ask me, maybe not, he's got a good
5
pinch on
foot off
it.
in midships.
He might be able to get it right, but I want to be set up to be able to help him if he needs it.
Midships, about 8 on the bow, just getting coverage on that pad in front of the manifolds. Close to 3 foot on your stern, 5 foot on the bow.
So he's got
Got
this.
to touch up on the stern. Stern's touched up, 3 foot off on the bow. Got about 35 ahead to this 4th pad here. Just coming off 3 foot on your stern. Right now where we're coming, we're about a foot inside that last pad. Got about 15 ahead for it.
So you can see he's using a lot of right wheel right there, and that's to push against the tide so he doesn't need me. You can,
so we got our first
you can see the water bubbling up in front of the bow of the tug. That's from his port engine backing down real hard.
Coming off a foot on the bow.
See the smoke coming out of the stack there? That's him backing down.
Alright, he's got that first line, he's got a few turns on it there, you're working on it. 5 foot off on your bow, foot on the stern. Says we're gonna have to come ahead a few feet for the spot. I feel so alive! Just about to touch back up on your bow, 3 foot on the stern.
I know what that was all about. Yeah, Captain Sean did a good job here.
Alright, we're gonna come ahead about 8 foot.
Living her ahead, baby.
Touching up on your bow again here. 5 foot on the stern. 5 foot to come ahead. Alright, he's good with the spot. He's gonna wrap this up now.
Thanks for being here, Tim.
Oh, not a problem, man. My pleasure. You're all good with me, right?
Oh, God, I'm good with you.
All right, good deal. Pretty job, man. Nice work. All right, talk to you later.
Well, you know, Tim, I gotta keep the legend rolling, bro.
That's right, Mr. New York.
I feel alive, man. I feel good.
That's the spirit. All right. We'll catch you on the next one, brother. All right. So that was the assist job that never happened. And like I say, that's not because, you know, an abundance of caution. They ordered me over here just in case he needed me. And he saw what was happening, read the tide, and said, you know what, I can do this. And like I say, if you can do it without an assist, you have a lot more control. And so that's a good lesson to learn. Years ago when I was breaking in, I'd take an assist for everything until an assist would drive me into the dock. They didn't mean to, they're just more horsepower than you need. So anyway, great job. Hope you like that. All right. I'll see you guys on the one.